Good afternoon. Today we are going to discuss the topic about unit number 2 synchronous motor presented by Periyasamy Triple Department. Principle and working of three-phase synchronous motor. A three-phase synchronous motor working principle of magnetic locking. When two unlike poles and brought near each other in magnets are strong, there exists tremendous force of attraction between those two poles. In such condition, two magnets are said to be magnetically locked. If now one of the two magnets is rotated, other also rotated in the same direction with same speed due to the force of attraction, that is due to the magnetic locking condition. The principle shown in the schematic diagram. The schematic diagram of magnetic locking is given as follows. Electrical motor are an electromechanical device. It converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. Based on the type of input, we have classified into single phase and three phase motor. The most common type of three phase motor is synchronous motor and induction motor. When three phase electric conductor are placed in certain geometrical position, that is certain angle from one and another, an electrical field generated rotating magnetic field rotated its certain speed known as synchronous speed. Synchronous speed is known as ns. The electromagnet is present in the rotating magnetic field. The electromagnet magnetically locked with this rotating magnetic field and rotate at the same speed and rotating field. This where term synchronous motor comes from the speed of rotor of the motor's same rotating magnetic field. It is the speed of the motor because has only one speed, which is synchronous speed. The speed synchronized to the supply frequency. The synchronous speed is given by ns equal to 120 f divided by b. ns means that synchronous speed and f equal to frequency in hertz, p is equal to number of poles. And construction of synchronous motor. This, this is the diagram of synchronous motor construction. It has two different tasks. One is stator and another one is rotor. Stator is a stationary part and rotor is a rotating part. Here three-phase supply is given and rotor here a supply on DC supply. There is no construction difference between the synchronous motor and asynchronous generator. The stator has laminated core with a slot of hole three-phase winding. Rotor hole field winding. The rotor can be salient pole type or cylindrical type. Synchronous motor skull conduct damper windings are real provided in the poles. Principle and operation of synchronous motor. When three-phase supply is given to the stator of the synchronous motor, it's produced rotating magnetic flux and created rotating of synchronous speed. The DC supply to the rotor, it also produces the flux constant magnitude. A three-phase synchronous motor is not self-starting. If rotor synchronous motor rotated, some externals means that stop. This is called magnetic locking. Once this state reached, rotor poles track in the revolving stator field. Thus, the rotor will continue to rotate. Thank you.